Good morning, children. In GK, we have already started Unit 4, Africa. In this, we are going to study about different things of African countries. So, our lesson 20 is Destinations in Africa, in which we will read about famous destinations in Africa. See, Africa is beautiful and famous for its culture, history, and picturesque destination. Okay, so some of them are given here. First one is, this country has African wildlife in its national parks and beautiful Diani beach. Kenya. Okay, Kenya is famous for national parks and beautiful Diani beach. Second, popularly called the Smiling Coast, it is the smallest country in Africa, the Gambia. You can also learn like this: smallest country in Africa, the Gambia. Okay. Third, this country is famous for the world's largest waterfall, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. We are very, we can say, Victoria Falls is very famous. So it is located in Zimbabwe. Fourth, it is known to be economic capital of Africa, Nigeria. Fifth, this country is from time of pharaohs. Ancient monuments are in the fertile Nile River valley, including Giza's pyramids and the Great Sphinx, Egypt. Okay, so children, these are some famous destinations of Africa. You can search more about destinations in Africa and learn it. Okay, now moving ahead to lesson 21. Over. Lesson 21 is about a famous game, or we can say oldest board game of Africa. See here, picture is given, a board game. This is called Over. It is very interesting, and in Africa, or we can say in African countries, this game is used as a educational tool for children. Over is the oldest board game that is still widely played in the world today. Over is the name given to the game by the Akan speaking people of Ghana. It belongs to the pit and pebbles game, which has been in existence for 7,000 years. From when? 7,000 years. So this game is 7,000 years old. The game has been found carved in ancient Syria, in a temple at Karnak in Egypt, and in the early tomb paintings in the valley of the Nile. It is carved in the Theseum in Athens too. Variations of this name are means over. People call it by different names also: Wari, Avail, Avele, Avari, and many more. Today, the version that has been used in competitions is also known as Abapa. For thousands of years, Over has been used as educational tool for children in Africa and all over the world. Children, this game is very interesting. I will share you one video of this game. You can learn and play at your home also. This is very interesting game. See that video carefully and try to learn it.